Hello. 3 BHK walkthrough video under 1 minute. So it is built up area is 1431 square feet with the MRP of this flat is 61 lakhs. You will get fully furnished as it is, light work, wallpaper work, wardrobe, wooden work, completely whatever you see you get. Balcony, here comes the balcony, first bedroom for ventilation, window as well over here. Then we will go to kitchen over here, completely modular upper and lower cabinet, hindware, automated chimneys here, and then you get stove, micro oven of hindware. Then we move towards the second bedroom. Second bedroom consists of one window, one attached washroom, one wardrobe, one TV cabinet. Moving towards the last bedroom. Before that, over here, you got a common washroom just near the powder area. And then this is the third and the final bedroom with this wardrobe, one bed, one dressing table kind of stuff, and then your balcony. With the balcony you get the window as well. So completely ventilated flat, pricing under 61 lakhs.